4.2 million subscribers, 100 videos, estimated $50,000 per month. If you've been scrolling YouTube lately, you've definitely seen these videos taking over your feed, hyper-realistic 3D documentaries that look like they cost $100,000 to produce. But I'm going to reverse engineer the entire Fern formula and show you how to build a channel like that pulls millions of views, even if you're starting from zero today. Whether you're a complete beginner or you've been stuck at 100 subscribers for months, this method works. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step roadmap to create cinematic 3D documentaries using free AI tools that are completely free. No filming, no expensive software, just results. This isn't theory. This is the playbook that's working right now in 2026. Here's what we're covering. First, how to find viral topics that the algorithm is already rewarding. Second, the AI workflow that turns one idea into a 12-minute cinematic 3D documentary in under 3 hours. And third, the CapCut editing secrets that make viewers binge your entire channel. Let's start. Step 1. Find viral topics the algorithm rewards. The biggest mistake new creators make, they pick topics they find interesting instead of topics the algorithm already knows people will watch. Here's how we will do it differently to get viral topics. First, open Fern's channel, then go to the Videos tab and sort by most popular and copy the first 20 video titles. Next, paste those titles into ChatGPT and use this exact prompt. Analyze these 20 video titles. Identify common themes, emotional triggers, and narrative structures. Then generate 10 original video ideas that follow the same proven patterns, but with fresh angles. In 30 seconds, you'll have 10 video ideas that are statistically proven to perform. But here's the key. Don't just copy, add a twist. If Fern covered the kid who hacked the Pentagon, you cover the teenager who outsmarted NASA's security. Same emotional hook, different story. Use Google Trends to verify your topic is still getting search volume. Avoid topics that are too niche. If fewer than 10 channels have covered it, the audience might not exist yet. Pause and pick your first topic right. Now, let's move to the next step. Step 2. Write a script that hooks and holds. Here's where most creators fail at. Your script isn't just information, it's a psychological weapon designed to hijack attention. Fern's scripts follow a 7-beat structure that I call the retention arc. Beat 1, the hook. Start with the most shocking part of the story. No intro, no fluff. Drop the viewer into the chaos in the first 10 seconds. Beat 2, the tease. Immediately follow with a mystery or question that demands an answer. Beat 3, the stakes. Make it clear why this story matters. What was at risk? What could have gone wrong? Beat 4, the journey. Walk through the story chronologically, but with micro cliffhangers every 90 seconds. Every time you answer one question, plant a new one. Beat 5, the twist. Around the 8-minute mark, reveal something unexpected. This is what separates good videos from viral ones. Beat 6, the resolution. Tie the story together with a philosophical or emotional punch. Beat 7, end by referencing your hook. It creates narrative closure and makes the video feel complete. Now, here's the shortcut. Use this ChatGPT prompt. Write a 12-minute documentary script in the style of Fern's The Kid Who Hacked the Pentagon. Topic, your topic. Use short sentences, cinematic language, and cliffhangers every 90 seconds. Include visual descriptions. ChatGPT will give you a full script in the style of Fern. Let's move now to step 3. Create cinematic 3D visuals with Grok AI. This is where the magic happens. Fern's visuals look like Pixar documentaries, but here's the secret. You can create similar quality with Grok AI, and it's completely free. Here's the exact workflow. First, break your script into scenes. Every 3 to 5 seconds of narration needs one visual. Ask ChatGPT to convert your script into image prompts. Use this. Convert this script into detailed image prompts and animation prompts for a 3D animation featuring a highly stylized 3D render of a featureless human figure with no facial features. Each scene should be formatted as follows. Now here's where Grok becomes your secret weapon. Open Grok AI and paste your first image prompt, and then hit generate. The quality is insane. Now, generate all your base images first before moving to animation. Once you have your static images, you can use Grok's image to video feature to bring them to life. Upload your image to Grok. Then add the animation prompt of scene 1. Slow camera, move forward toward the main prison building, passing over razor wire and under searchlights. Light fog in the air, small camera shake for realism. End on a still shot of the dark central building with a documentary feel. Each clip generates in about 60 to 90 seconds. While one is processing, cue up the next. The motion is smooth, cinematic, and perfect for documentary-style content. By the time you finish this step, you'll have 100+ video clips ready to edit, all created with one free AI tool. This is how you compete with channels that have massive budgets. Keep your animation prompts simple. Complex movements can look janky. Subtle motion is more professional. Don't generate everything at once. Test 5 clips first to make sure your prompts are working before scaling up. Open Grok right now. Generate your first 5 clips and feel that power. Step 4. Edit like a pro in CapCut. The retention hacks. Editing is where good videos become unstoppable. And the best part? You don't need Premiere Pro or Final Cut. CapCut is free, intuitive, and has every tool you need to match Fern's editing style. Here's the formula. Create a new project in CapCut. Import all your Grok-generated video clips and your voiceover. Drag your voiceover to the timeline first. Everything else syncs to the voice. Now, start adding your video clips above the audio track, matching each visual to the corresponding narration. Here's the Fern secret. Cut every 3 to 5 seconds. Never let a single shot sit longer than that. Every time a sentence ends, change the scene. Every time there's a dramatic pause, add a zoom or transition. Even a 2% zoom creates subconscious engagement that keeps viewers glued. Add glitch transitions or fade to black for dramatic moments. Select all your clips. Go to Adjustments. Lower saturation by 15 to 20%. Boost contrast by 10%. Add a slight teal and orange grade using the temperature and tint sliders. Instantly, your video looks like it cost $10,000. That's the power of color. Then add sound effects. CapCut has a massive free sound effect library. Search for ambient sounds, data blips, keyboard typing, whooshes, and dramatic stingers. Layer 3 to 5 sound effects per scene. Add background ambience throughout subtle wind, distant city noise, or electronic hum. Then punctuate key moments with sharp SFX like glitches, camera shutters, or impact sounds. Only add text for shocking facts or key numbers. Use CapCut's bold text templates. Make text appear with a quick fade or pop animation. Search CapCut's library for chill tech or lo-fi ambient tracks. Add one to your timeline and lower the volume. The music should be felt, not heard. When you're done, export at 1080p, 60 frames per second, and set bitrate to high. This ensures YouTube doesn't compress your video to death.
Midnight, steel silence. In a prison in the middle of nowhere. A prisoner who should never have seen the sky again. His name was Mateo. One night, a contractor truck parked exactly 5 minutes longer than usual. Same logo, different driver. But here's the thing. It was as if the system itself had quietly decided to let him go. All still approved. 2 men hard hats walked straight to Mateo. He walked between them like a man being moved inside the system he'd never...
Let's recap. Step 1. Reverse engineer viral topics using ChatGPT and proven channels. Step 2. Write a script using the 7-beat retention arc. Step 3. Generate cinematic 3D visuals and animations with Grok AI for free. Step 4. Edit with pattern interrupts in CapCut using color grading, sound layering, and motion every 3 seconds. If you do this, you'll have a 12-minute Fern-style documentary ready to upload in 3 hours or less. But here's the truth most people won't tell you. Your first video won't go viral. Your third might. Your 8th probably will. The algorithm rewards consistency, not perfection. So here's your next step. Open ChatGPT right now. Pick your first topic, generate your script, then fire up Grok and start creating visuals. Don't overthink it. The only way to lose is to never start. If you want the full prompt library, the exact ChatGPT workflows I use, I've linked everything below. It's completely free. And if you're serious about building a faceless channel that actually makes money, subscribe and turn on notifications. I drop a new AI automation strategy every single week. Thanks for watching. Now, stop consuming and start creating. Your channel is waiting. I'll see you in the next one.